Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TP Study Zone. Today my topic is about 30 plus common form of verbs, their first, second, third, fourth and fifth form of verbs. Let's move forward to our video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Run, ran, run, running, runs. Go, went, gone, going, goes. Become, became, become, becoming, becomes. Buy, bought, bought, buying, buys. Come, came, come, coming, comes. Do, did, done, doing, does. Drink, drank, drunk, drinking, drinks. Eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats. Sit, sat, sat, sitting, sits. Rise, rose, risen, rising, throws. Find, found, found, thinking, thinks. Choose, choose, chosen, wearing, wears. Draw, drew, drawn. Adding, adds. Attack, attacked, attacked. Taking, takes. Catch, caught, caught. Smelling, smells. Beat, beat, beated, beating, beats. Wake, woke, woken, waking, wakes. Throw, threw, thrown, throwing, throws. Think, thought, thought, thinking, thinks. Wear, wore, worn, wearing, wears. Add, added, added, adding, adds. Take, took, taken, taking, takes. Smell, smelled, smelled, smelling, smells. Stand, stood, stood, standing, stands. Weep, wept, wept, weeping, weeps. Teach, taught, taught, teaching, teaches. Thrust, 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 thrust. Wake, woke, woken, waking, wakes. Arise, arose, arisen, arising, arises. Cost, 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 costing, costs. Thanks for watching my video. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.